The Nissan Murano II from 2008 to 2015 features a power-operated sunroof, also known as a moonroof. The controls are located in the overhead console. There are typically three main controls: a tilt switch, a slide switch, and sometimes a dedicated close switch or a function integrated with the slide switch. Knowing these controls is the first step to operating your sunroof correctly. The tilt function allows you to slightly open the sunroof for ventilation. To use it, ensure your ignition is in the ACC or run position. Press the tilt switch upwards. The sunroof will open a few inches. Press the switch again to close it. This is ideal for circulating air without fully opening the roof. To operate the slide function, use the slide switch on the overhead console. Push and hold the switch rearward to slide the sunroof open, allowing fresh air and light into the cabin. To close the sunroof, push and hold the switch forward. You can release the switch at any point to achieve a partial opening, giving you control over ventilation levels. Before fully opening the sunroof, make sure the area around it is clear to avoid damage or safety issues. To close the sunroof fully, push the slide switch forward until it seals completely. On some Murano models, there's a dedicated close button for quick and complete closure. Always double-check that the sunroof is completely shut, especially before washing your car or during inclement weather, to prevent water leaks. The Nissan Murano II sunroof includes an auto-reverse mechanism for safety. If the system detects an obstruction while closing, it will automatically reverse direction. Never force the sunroof closed if you encounter resistance. Instead, remove the obstruction and try again. This feature helps prevent injuries and damage to both passengers and the sunroof mechanism. To keep your sunroof operating smoothly, perform regular maintenance. Annually, lubricate the sunroof tracks with silicone spray to prevent sticking and ensure smooth operation. This simple step reduces friction and extends the life of the mechanical components. Also, regularly clean the drainage channels under the sunroof. Remove any debris or blockages that could cause water to accumulate and leak into the cabin. This maintenance prevents costly water damage and ensures the sunroof seals remain effective. These simple maintenance steps can significantly extend the life of your sunroof and prevent costly repairs. Perform them annually or as needed to keep your Murano's sunroof functioning properly. Common sunroof issues include jammed tracks or a malfunctioning motor. If the sunroof doesn't respond, check the fuse labeled sunroof in the fuse box. If the fuse is fine, it may be blown. Otherwise, debris in the tracks may be the culprit. Consult your owner's manual or a trusted mechanic for more complex repairs. Avoid forcing the sunroof, as this can cause further damage. While the Murano II sunroof is mechanically simple, offering basic tilt and slide functions, newer cars have evolved significantly. Newer vehicles feature larger panoramic roofs that provide expansive views and more natural light. Smart tinting technology automatically adjusts glass opacity to block UV rays and reduce heat. Many modern sunroofs include app-based controls, allowing you to open or close them remotely via your phone. Aftermarket options can add some modern features to your Murano, such as smart tinting films that darken automatically. However, understanding and maintaining the basic functions of your Murano sunroof will ensure years of reliable use.